As we look forward to the next generation, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to push these boundaries even further. There are high expectations for enhanced video features, improved autofocus, better tracking capabilities, and increased weather resistance, among other exciting new upgrades. Building on the strengths of its predecessor, the Osmo Pocket 4 could offer refined image quality and display visibility, ensuring a top-notch user experience. Additionally, rumors suggest that DJI is expanding the accessory ecosystem and incorporating innovative features like using the screen as a fill light. If the buzz around these potential enhancements is accurate, the Osmo Pocket 4 will likely set new standards for compact cameras, reinforcing DJI's market leadership. By listening to user feedback and staying at the forefront of technology, DJI is poised to deliver a compact camera that will appeal to a wide range of users, from travel enthusiasts and vloggers to professional videographers. The current model supports 4K recording at 120 frames per second, FPS, but rumors suggest that the Pocket 4 could push the boundaries even further with higher frame rates at lower resolutions. We could see options like 240 FPS at 1080p or even 300 FPS at 720p, allowing for ultra-smooth slow-motion video that captures every detail. This enhancement will make the Osmo Pocket 4 a strong competitor to top-tier action cameras like the GoPro Hero 12 Black, which have dominated the high frame rate video market. Whether you're filming extreme sports, doing travel vlogs, or working on a professional video project, the Osmo Pocket 4's enhanced video capabilities will allow for exceptional visual storytelling. The anticipated upgrades in autofocus and tracking are also major talking points for the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. The next-gen camera could feature ActiveTrack 7.0 or even higher, which would bring a host of benefits such as improved subject recognition, smoother follow focus, and enhanced facial recognition. In addition, there's speculation that the Osmo Pocket 4 will come with a more rugged and weather-resistant design, potentially achieving an IP67 rating or higher. Image quality is another area where the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is likely to see significant improvements. While the Pocket 3's 1-inch sensor was a huge leap forward, DJI could take it even further with advanced sensor optimization and new image processing technology. Potential enhancements could include a higher megapixel count, better noise reduction in low-light conditions, and increased dynamic range. These upgrades would result in clearer, more vibrant images, even in challenging lighting conditions. In addition to the hardware and software upgrades, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 might also come with a reimagined touchscreen display. The 2-inch rotatable screen could see a boost in brightness, better anti-reflective coatings, and potentially even a glove-friendly operation mode for those who often shoot in colder climates. Subscribe, like, share.